Today, you join me in Nad Al Hamar, and behind me is a freehold warehouse plot that is now available on the market. Nad Al Hamar is a residential and industrial community located close to Ras Al Khor, with excellent access to the E311, the E44 and Dubai International Airport. Let's take a look inside the warehouse. The warehouse comes with 8-metre ceiling heights, sprinkler system installed, ceiling ducts, 180 kilowatt power source, 2 roller shutter doors for loading, unloading, and with heavy duty concrete flooring to support any machinery that may be installed. The plot size of this warehouse is just over 20,000 square foot and the built up area just over 19,000 square foot, with the ground floor space offering 13,000 square foot and the 2 mezzanine floors offering 5,800 square foot combined. In the previous 12 months, 40 commercial sale plots have been registered for Nad Al Hamar. This has totaled over £500 million worth of dirhams of sales to date. This is your opportunity to own this freehold site in this thriving area. My name is Luke from Bayti Real Estate. Contact me on the details provided for a viewing.